My name is Aris Singleton. I am the Finance and Human Resources Manager here at Thank God It's Natural, and I am also Christia Donaldson's niece. So when Christia first wrote the book in 2009, there were a few products for textured hair on the market, but none that actually worked for her hair texture. So Christia put her need and for her hair and her passion into tgin, and that's what's on the market. The first product that started it all, and also a fan favorite, is our Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. Our Daily Buttercream Moisturizer can be used daily to style the hair or just provide moisture on a weekly basis. I personally use it daily. One of the problems we're trying to solve, you'll see in women with textured, kinky hair like mine, is moisture. Moisture is very, very important. It aids in our growth, it aids in the health of our hair. So that's our number one goal, moisture. We have an entire line dedicated to moisture. We also have a line, our MRX, dedicated to growth. And we have our new line, Curls and Roses, coming to Sally soon. That is one of my favorites that also aids in moisture and growth. Oh my goodness, the evolution of Christia's style. I have seen Christia in the big chop. I've seen Christia bald. I've seen her with long hair, perms hair, curly hair, kinky hair. I think as she got older, and especially with building tgin, she really embraced her hair. And I thought that was just absolutely beautiful. So my favorite look was Christia, where she wore her hair really big and really curly. So the inspiration behind Thank God It's Natural, the name, Christia relied on God for everything. When it came to formulas, when it came to launching this, she relied heavily on her faith. And that's where the name Thank God It's Natural came from. So our partnership with Sally was very important to Christia. We originally launched in Sally Beauty in January of 2016, and Christia had just recently found out that she had been diagnosed with breast cancer. So that partnership with Sally, even though she was going through a tough time, was very important, very, very important to her. Christia wanted to empower the Black community by letting them know you can be your authentic, real self. You can build an amazing brand that touches the Black community and outside the Black community. But I think most importantly, her foundation that she built, her breast cancer foundation that serves underserved communities and uninsured women in aiding them with their breast health appointments, their child care, their travel expenses. I think that's how Christia is empowering the community. The tgin Foundation was launched in 2017 when Christia beat cancer the first time. Annually, we host a Cocktails for the Cure event that raises money to help underinsured women in our community get to their breast health appointments, aid in child care, transportation costs, those costs when you are undergoing treatment that you might not be supported. Christia has inspired me to always give my best and be my true authentic self. She didn't say perfection, but she did say do everything with the spirit of excellence. When you wake up in the morning, when you go to work, are you giving your best? In whatever you do, give your best, operate in the spirit of excellence. And I take that with me daily. Thank you so much for having me, Sally Beauty. And always remember, operate in the spirit of excellence.